Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook chicken bok choy cauliflower stew. Get 3/4 pound to a pound chicken, half pound bok choy, 1 head or half pound cauliflower, 1 tablespoon rosemary by Cookbook Jamaican food recipes, and 1 tablespoon parsley, 2 between 3 garlic cloves, a small or a medium-sized onion. You could use the herbs dried or fresh. Grind it fine. 1 between 2 tablespoons of homemade chicken seasoning. You could use all-purpose powdered seasonings instead. 1 teaspoon vinegar. Use any flavored vinegar. 2 tablespoons ketchup. Optional. Visit JamaicanCookings.com, JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. If using fresh herbs, wash it clean. Add enough water into a bowl. Sprinkle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Wash the rosemary's leaf clean. After that, give it a final rinse with fresh water. Put the fresh herbs on a paper towel to dry. Remove the rosemary's leaves from the stem. Use a sharp knife or a cooking scissors. Chop rosemary's leaf fine. Next, prepare vegetable seasonings. Peel garlic clove. Remove the skin. Trim spoilage. Grind garlic to puree or mash it to pulp. Mashed garlic. Next, peel onion. I like to cut onion in half. It's easier to handle. Remove the skin only. Just remove this brown skin only. The first layer of the onion is the best. Once you did that, dice or slice onion fine. Oh yes, if you see spoilage, remove it. Trim it. No, dice scallion, but before that, make sure you clean it. Put some water into a bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in it. Wash scallion clean, but before that, make sure you trim the root end and the tip of the scallion that's spoiling. To preserve the scallion, I freeze it. Clean and prepare the vegetable seasonings. Put this aside. Go to the next step. Wash bok choy clean. Get a big enough bowl. Add enough water. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. You could use a teaspoon between 1 tablespoon of salt instead. Use a sharp knife. Chop off the bok choy's root end. Like this. Dip the bok choy in and out of the water. Dip the leaves in and out of the water. Use your fingers. Rub between the stems. Rub between the leaves. Clean. Ensure the bok choy's leaf is clean. Look for spoilage. Remove rotting leaves. Use your fingers. Rub it. Remove the dirt. Look for insect. Next, throw off this water and then pour fresh water on it. Rinse bok choy clean. It is best if you do this on the fresh running water. If you're not in a hurry, put the bok choy in a colander, allow the water to drain. Next, pour some water in the same bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in it. You could use a teaspoon of salt instead. Wash the cauliflower clean. But first, trim or cut off the cauliflower's leaf like this. Put the cauliflower in the water. Now use your hand with your fingers or use a sharp knife. Cut cauliflower florets or break off cauliflower florets. Dip the cauliflower in and out of the water. Wash the cauliflower good. Ensure that the cauliflower is washed properly. Now throw up this water and then pour fresh water into the bowl. Rinse the cauliflower clean. If you're not in a hurry, put the cauliflower in a colander and allow the water to drain. Next, put bok choy on a chopping board. Use a sharp knife. Chop bok choy fine. If you're unsure, do like me. Chop the bok choy fine, such as this, or fold bok choy, hold it with one hand. Use your cooking scissors, trim bok choy fine. Trim bok choy this fine. Chopped bok choy. Put this aside and then go to the next step. Now chop smaller florets. If you're unsure what to do, do like me. Chop the stem part fine. Chop the cauliflower stem just like this. Chop small cauliflower's stem chunks. Clean and prepare small cauliflower florets. Measure 1 teaspoon and a half salt and then put it in a bowl or a container. Measure 1 between 2 tablespoons of homemade chicken seasoning and then put it in the bowl. Keep seasonings separate. You could use 1 between 2 tablespoons of all-purpose powdered seasoning instead. Cut 1/4 between half piece Scotch bonnet pepper and then put it in the bowl as well. Put it aside near. Have these seasonings ready nearby. Clean and prepare the chicken for cooking. If the chicken is frozen, put it in some water and allow it to defrost. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Pour enough water into a bowl. Put the chicken in the bowl. Use a knife. Clean the chicken good. Clean the chicken properly. To do this, go between the chicken's bone. Remove clot, blood. If using chicken's thigh, clean it properly. Ensure you chopped off the butt. Trim fat. Use the knife. Scrape the chicken's skin clean. Look on the chicken good. Ensure to remove anything that is not chicken's flesh. Throw off this dirty chicken water and then pour fresh water on it. Rinse the chicken clean. Use your fingers. Rub the chicken clean under the running water. Put the chicken into a colander. Allow the water to drain. If you're in a hurry, do like me. To drain the excess water, put the chicken between your palms as if you're clasping it. Squeeze it to remove excess water. Cleaned and prepared chicken. Go to the next step. Next, chop 1 inch between 2 inches chicken chunks. Put clean and prepared chicken on a clean chopping board. Use a sharp knife. Cut chicken strips. I call it chicken strips. Turn it and then use the knife to cut 1 inch between 2 inches chicken chunks. Cut chicken chunks this size. With this recipe, you could use boneless chicken or you could use bone-in chicken. You choose. Whether you use boneless or bone-in chicken, the cooking time is the same. Chopped chicken chunks. Add half the amount of salt on the chicken. Put homemade chicken seasoning on the chicken chunks. Now use your fingers. Coat the chicken's chunks with chicken seasoning. Remember now, you could use a tablespoon between 2 tablespoons of all-purpose powdered seasonings instead. You could put in the refrigerator for an hour or 2. However, you could just start cooking right now. Next, put a medium-sized saucepan or stew pot to heat. Turn the stove's gauge on 4, medium-low. Ensure that inside of the pot or saucepan is not wet. If it's wet, use a paper towel. Dry it. Next, add 1/4 cup or less cooking oil. I am using coconut oil. Allow the oil to get hot for a minute or 2. Or wait until you see a little smoke. Once the oil is hot enough, add chicken chunks in the heating oil. Put each chicken chunks on its own spot. Keep the chicken chunks 1/16 between 1/8 of an inch apart. Once the chicken touches the pot, you cannot move it. Do not move it. Allow the chicken chunks to fry golden on each side. Allow. Do not move it. The stove's gauge is on 4, medium-low. Allow. Get the seasonings ready. Put the seasonings nearby. After 6 minutes, use a cooking fork. Flip chicken chunks on the other side. This is the golden color that you want. Ensure the chicken has this nice golden color. Important. That way when you add the vegetable and it starts to stew, the chicken won't look white. Go through patiently. Flip each chicken chunk on the other side. Allow chicken chunks to fry on the other side properly. Do not move it. The stove's gauge is still on 4, medium-low. Allow. After 3 between 4 minutes more, a total of 10 minutes. Add chopped onions. Stir the onions. Ensure that the onion is in the oil. Allow it to saute golden on the edges. This will give the meal additional flavors not in a bottle. After 30 seconds, between 40 seconds, add chopped scallion. Shuffle it. Ensure it's in the oil. Allow it to saute. While seasonings are sauteing, look for the chicken chunk that might still be white. Turn the white side down. Ensure it's fried golden. Allow. After 20 between 30 seconds, add chopped or mashed garlic. Shuffle it. Ensure the garlic is in the oil. Allow it to saute. When you allow the seasonings to saute, this will add flavor in the meal that's not in the vegetable seasonings. Add herbs. Stir the herbs in the pot. Allow it to saute a few seconds, no more than 3 seconds. Turn the stove's gauge flame on 2, which is low. Add chopped bok choy. Add prepared and clean cauliflower florets. Measure and then add quarter between half teaspoon vinegar. You could use any flavored vinegar. Use the pan's lid. Cover it properly. Cover it fully. Allow stewing. After 2 minutes undisturbed and covered, use a cooking spoon. Flip, stir the bottom to the top a few times. The steam from the vegetable will build gravy. The steam from the vegetable will build gravy. Use the pan's lid. Cover it fully. The stove's gauge is still on 2, low. Allow. After 3 minutes more, a total of 5 minutes, this is it. Use the cooking spoon. Stir it. Flip the bottom to the top. Stir it few times. Use the saucepan's lid. Cover it fully. The stove's gauge is on 2. Allow. After a minute more, measure 1 tablespoon between 2 tablespoons ketchup. And then stir it in the pot. And remember now, to add ketchup is optional. Stir the ketchup in for 30 seconds between 1 minute. This is it. Keep the pot covered until serving. Turn the stove off. Finished. To serve chicken bok choy cauliflower stew, stir it in. Stir your pot in. Moist up the meal. Take a scoop of this chicken bok choy cauliflower stew and I am putting it on a plate of rice. This is chicken bok choy cauliflower stew. Visit JamaicanCookings.com, JamaicanDinners.com. you should try making this chicken Bok Choy Cauliflower Stew yourself. When you do, come back, leave a comment, share your experience with us. The flavor of this chicken Bok Choy Cauliflower Stew is unique. Combination of ingredients gave this meal its own flavor. If you want to know what the flavor is, you should try cooking this meal. This is a new way to add cauliflower to your diet. This meal is tasty in its own way. When you try it, tell me what you think. When you try it, give me your thoughts. The herbs and the vegetables in this meal made the flavor of this chicken Bok Choy Cauliflower Stew pure. Alright, me gone. What good? This recipe is in Cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. 500 and add pages cookbook. It's a big cookbook. It's 8 by 10. I know some of you are going to say the price is too expensive, but trust me, you're getting value for money. It's a big book. Support the movement. Buy my cookbook.